Look behind the door, there's nothing there no more. You should